Hi everyone, this is Abdul Wali. Today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you that how to create some 3D objects like pyramid, box, cylinder and other. So this video is for simple for 3D learning purpose. So before to start the video, first of all you would like to select your unit. You know that unit is very important. For that, simply type unit in your keyboard and press click on this units, and after that select here architecture and press OK, and then again click on OK. And for 3D to create that model, simply come to this right down corner. You can see workspace switching and click on it, and after that click on this 3D modeling. Now you can see this is a 3D window. You can see this menu, and it is different for drifting window. At the end of this video you will be able to create all of these 3D objects, like you can see this box and this cone, pyramid and this cylinders you can see, and all of them you can create by the dimension to give the length, width, radius, all. Whenever you start your 3D for the first time, your 3D will not show, your objects will not show like this solid, so it may show like this. You can see this. So to show it like a 3D solid, so simply come to this visualize. You can see this visualize, click at this visualize menu, and after that come to this visualize styles and click on this, and you can select any of them. It is different options. You can select this conceptual and can select this realistic and as well another like this exterior as well, and you can select shade with edges, and I will select this shade it, and I will work and I will draw in this shaded form. Before to start this to make this 3D objects, first of all you would like to select your view as isometric view. So for that you can click at this corner. You can see this corner, simply click at this corner, or come to this top and click on this SW isometric. You can select both of them. So after that to create that object, simply click at this top right corner, this box. You can see here different options are available: box, cylinder, cone, anything you can select. So simply start from this box, click on it, and now let's start specify your first corner from which you want to start. Let's start from this point and finish where you want to. If you want to type the length, simply click here at length. So let's type the length ortho on, click on this ortho, and the type should be 20 feet and press enter. Now you can see this object is having 20 feet length, and now you want to type the width. It should be 5 feet. Simply type 5 and press enter. Now they ask you to type the height. So you can type the height, or simply you can create simply click where you want to create it. Let's say if you want to type the right, let's type 25 feet height, 25 feet, type 25 feet and press enter. Now you can see this 3 boxes created, and simply you can create by default. Let's start from this point and click here and go where you want to finish your, click here, and after that you can see another option is cylinder. So cylinder, if you want to create cylinder, simply specify the center point of your cylinder. Let's start your cylinder from this point, and now they ask you to specify the radius. So let's radius is 3 feet, type 3 feet and press enter. Now you can see this is your cylinder which having 3 feet radius. Now they ask you to height. What should be the height of your cylinder? Let's say it should be 10 feet. Simply type 10 and sign of feet and press enter. Now you can see this cylinder having 3 feet radius or 6 feet diameter and 10 feet height. And now the another option is cone. To create a cone, simply click on it, and now they ask you to specify the center of your base, that cone. simply click here. This is the center of that cone, and now they ask you what should be the radius. It should be 3 feet, and press enter, and after that they ask you the height that cone, which that cone having. So you can simply click you want, if you want to give the dimension, or let's say it should be 10 feet, and press enter. Now you can see this cone having 3 feet radius and 10 feet height. And another option is a sphere. You can see this sphere, and specify the center of that sphere, and now they ask you what should be the radius of that sphere. Let's say it should be 10 feet, 5 feet radius, and simply click. Now you can see this cone having 5 feet radius and 10 feet diameter. Now to create pyramid, simply come here and click here, and click on this pyramid and specify the center of that pyramid, and type the radius, and it should be 20 feet, and type the height, and it should be 100 feet. Now you can see this pyramid having 100 feet height. It is created a 3D. And also you can you can create these two options here. Simply select this and specify the first corner, and then specify the another column. You can select books. You can create the length and width and height. Simply click here, and now go upward and specify here this is secant point. And another option is to create a circular tube. Let's come here and click on this and specify the center of that, and type the radius. Let's say it should be having 10 feet radius, that circular tube. And what should be the tube radius? This is that circle which that tube will around it. So the tube radius, let's say it should be 6 inches, and press enter. Now you can see this tube is created here. This tube having 10 feet radius and 6 inches the tube radius, inside radius, and this is a circle which it is around it having 10 feet radius. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question you can ask, and please comment that question.